Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to this new video tutorial. Today I will show you how to simulate the high pass filter. Before that we have shown how to simulate a low pass filter. It is exactly same, but the configuration is different. I will need to swap the component with each other and then we'll get a figure. But first I need to say that we need power supply, ground and capacitor and resistor, nothing else. Let me show that. I think you know that I want to add something. I have to come a peak device and resistor. I have already taken this, you can see that here, so I'm not clicking here. You should do that because maybe in your section it is not added already. And then I need a capacitor. This is the capacitor diagram. So just click on OK. I have already here, so I'm not clicking OK. So let's come here, capacitor. Sorry, here is the capacitor. I need to rotate it, so for this select and then rotate, and then in resistor. Now you can tap here, you get this, you can place it anywhere. I think you know about that. I want to place it here, and now I want to rotate it like this. I think it's cool. Right now I need voltage source, power source. So due to that I need to come here. Sorry, here then DC, sine, pulse, blah blah blah, but I need sine because I need AC current. DC doesn't have the frequency, but AC has the frequency, and the passes high pass filter means only allow the frequencies which is high frequency. So sine here and then put it here, then connect it with each other. Everything is nice, but I need something different. One thing left, that is this ground. So for ground, select select this, and okay. So for ground, come here in this terminals mode and then select ground, and then you will get have this component. And now I need to replace it here. Okay, fine, and just connect this. Let's connect this. Fine. Now I need proof. So proof, come here, and then I need voltage proof. So select this. When you get it is selected, when you will see that in this place you will get your expected diagram, then you should understand that it is selected already. Come here and you can place it anywhere, but I need to place it here. Okay, let's zoom in. Think it's, let me place it nicely. Okay, fine, I think it's all right. Now what I need to do, I need a graph, because the graph will show me that this configuration is allowing the high frequencies only. So come here, graph section, and then I need a frequency graph, as you know that I have shown in my earlier tutorial, which is made on low pass filter. Fine. And then I think you may fall in difficulty to whatever I am going to do next. Just click it, press it and drag it. It is not selected. Try again. Let's try again. Okay, drag and drop in this graph, and then I need to edit some property. Come here, it is definitely frequency response reference. Select this, and then steps, it's too large, 10. Let's 5. It will be better if I can choose 3 or 2.5. and then I need to come here. How you can get that? Just right click on it, and then you will see that simulate, and here you go. You can see a high frequency filter. That means when the frequencies are high, then the graph will allow you to pass. And then you can make this graph most beautiful, like edit properties. It's 10K, it's huge. I mean, I want to like this, so you will see a change. Come here and I think it's better. And then you can bring other changes, like change everybody it's 0.2. Okay, come here. Similar, I think it's better than before. And then you can change values and you can play this. The one thing I forgot to show you, that is, let me show. Come here. That is, whenever you will select it first, then the values are 0, so you need to fix it. You need to give a value here. And the amplitude you can change, let's set it 5, and the frequency let it set is 6, and then click OK. And so, okay, this was our high frequency filter graph with the help of Proteus. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.